Mayong aga! Today, join me as I ate my favorite pizza in Spice Kitchen. Located in B.S. Aquino Corner, Agustin Drive, Bacolod City. Tantos alimentos para elegir. You may try their Mexican feast of taquitos, nacho fries, and quesadillas. Spice Kitchen is a Mexican-Mediterranean fusion fast food and cafe. The place gives you a homey tropical ambience. They have open space and air-conditioned room for your comfort. Hola amigos! Oopsie, that's me taking time posting on their Instagrammable wall decos. Yummy delicioso burritos en pesto. Perdóneme, ¿sí hambriento? Si encuentra esto útil, like this video. Por favor, subscribe, like, and hit the bell.